Hello everyone, this is the first draft of ConstructIQ Pro, a deep application to manage your all construction activities. It's the integration of ERP, AutoCAD, Google Sheets, Google Drive, Mailbox, other analytical apps like Power BI, MSP, Project Management app. So it's the integration of all, creating a simple process and at one place. So we are entering in the login page. So this will be the login. Now coming to the dashboard. First are the departments of a construction company. So this app is for real estate as well as contractors. So work progress, business development, design architecture, planning estimation, execution, quality, safety. All these are the modules in which we can add as per the company hierarchy. So initially we can go to the admin panel and add user. So in user, for example, now taking the name Sanket, username would be user at the rate 001. This is basically my user. Now when you add a user in the app, there are total 12 profile roles. One is reporting management, top management, project team lead, office team lead, site team lead, internal project team, office team, internal site team, same external project, office and site team. So all the internal teams are the engineers, purchase executives, or accounts executives, and their lead would be called as the team lead, as well as all the contractors, consultant, vendors, suppliers will be external. So for example, security agency will be external site team, other agencies like labor contractors will be external site team, all the material suppliers would be external project team, and service provider would be external project team, as well as all the consultant would be external office team. So we have distributed the hierarchy in the following ladders. There could be 3 members leading the project, which will be called as project team lead, and which has multiple permissions. So one user is created, and department right now I'm taking it as business development, and designation is whatever the company designation. For example, right now my designation is senior manager. The company can create its own, and I'm the part of staff, so I'll select, and the password. So again, one more user I have created right now. Going back to the dashboard, how we created is, coming again to dashboard, we have edit facility. So you can upload your logo in an easy way, and you can give your name, and that will be completely your app. So what we created here is, a home page. There is a variable bar which reflects all the current activities of the company here, as well as either you can scan a QR. All the updates, reportings can be generated in a QR format, and you can stick a particular QR in the space. Whenever someone is going to scan that QR, they can see all the updates related to that particular space. Also, we have integrated the mailbox in the app so that you don't need to use other mailbox, chat box like WhatsApp, all this in the app. These are the quick access tab, which includes attendance. Either you have to mark your attendance, or either you want to your team attendance. And there are tasks. Every senior management can allot tasks to junior management. Similarly, junior management can raise tickets. Junior management can raise tickets. All the escalations, like there is a turnaround time set for every activity. All this turnaround time, if the time goes beyond, it will comes under escalation. Other than that, all the approvals, like it's a material request approval, service request approval, payment request approval, this can go into the approval page. So whenever anybody comes to the app in the morning, there will be number of notifications visible here. You have to clear all those notifications, as well as all the site updates or whatever the updates people are putting in the form of photos or whatever. You can see in this form like a scroll. So it's like your social media platform where you can see all the updates, whether it is site update, whether birthdays, anniversary. These are the tabs. Since it's a draft edition, we are just presenting how it's going to be. Coming back again, there is an event tab. If you want to align any consultant meeting or any joint review meeting, so you can have a tab here. You can directly select the date, and this will be integrated to your calendar, your in-house calendar. So, and you can also export all those events to Excel. Even if at the time of event, the app is able to convert text to speech. So whatever you're talking, if you put on the recorder, already a summary will generate. Else, now coming back to the great feature of the app, like we have told, we have integrated all things. So first I'll show the integration of AutoCAD. You don't need to use AutoCAD, or you don't need to buy AutoCAD or any user. It is integrated in app. It's a one-time payment to AutoCAD. Then your phone, tablet or laptop will be integrated with AutoCAD through our app only. So we have uploaded one file, one drawing file. Now let's see the drawing file in this. So this is AutoCAD Cloud Platform. It's in the basic stage of integration. So multiple users can access this, and this will not use your system memory or any configuration, since all platform is a cloud based. It's a similar platform you see in your desktop. So this is the file. Right now I can work. If I want to work, I'll create a hatch option. So if I draw a polyline, same functionality, same usage. Either you can use it as a viewer, or either you can use it as an editor. All the files, all the data with logs properly, you can visible whomsoever is making the changes, what are the changes made, what kind of drawing. Suppose I can comment here, I can also comment here. So coming back to again to the application, we have this kind of design level which is included in every process. Like once you go to the other departments, other modules are in the process. So when you go to planning and estimation, you can directly see the AutoCAD files and what are the areas given to it. Otherwise, all the team members of a particular project head working would be visible here. What is the status, what are the actionable, and how is their productivity, everything. Apart from this, it consists of all the analytics reports and many other features which we are in the process of evolving more. Now, the app has a detailed analytics dashboard which we can customize, since Power BI is integrated to it. Either, for example, task by status, project by status, completed, tickets, all you can see in a single place in your particular dashboard, all the things, what level of analytics you're looking for, or we can have at a one place. So it is all customizable app as per the requirement of the particular company, like a real estate developer or a contractor right now, since it has templates of everything at a basic level, and all the modules, particularly in the process, starting from the feasibility of land, then designing, then planning, and then coming back to the execution, and quality, safety, purchase, accounts, legal, facility means handover. We have created a special module for possession or either handover of the project to the client team. You can also give the your client or the top management a login so that they can review and they can have a look at the live streaming data. Otherwise, you can create directly a QR or link based report so that they can access through the link and have the visibility. So here it's basic about ConstructIQ Pro, integrated platform for managing all your construction activities, powered by Vissar Solutions, global nexus to know-how. It's a AI integration, so no need of any search bar. Whatever data you are looking for, supposingly project data or whatever, you can go through directly the AI integration. Otherwise, also the AI can guide you with the training and the modules. So in the HR app, we are going to put the training modules for the employee so that they can have the skills and more productivity. And there are some more features we are not disclosing right now, but at the time of presentation we would like to disclose. So that's it. ConstructIQ Pro, powered by Vissar Solutions.